Are you tired of the influencer grind? Constantly chasing trends, filming in public, feeling like you're always on display? What if I told you there's a better way to build a media empire? A way to create, innovate, and profit, all without ever showing your face. Welcome to the world of the ghost creator. So, what exactly is a ghost creator? It's not about being an influencer, it's about being the architect behind the influence. Imagine yourself not as the star of the show, but as the producer. You're the one calling the shots, developing the strategy, and building a scalable business from behind the scenes. You're the brains of the operation, the one managing a portfolio of faceless channels, each a revenue-generating asset. This isn't about personal brand fame. It's about building a sustainable media company. You become the product owner, not the product itself. Think about the incredible freedom this model offers. First, privacy. You can go to the grocery store, walk in the park, live your life without being recognized. Your identity is your own. Second, location independence. As long as you have a laptop and an internet connection, you can run your business from a beach in Thailand, a cafe in Paris, or the comfort of your own home. And third, scalability. Once you perfect the system for one channel, you can replicate it across 2, 5, even 10 different niches. You're not limited by your own time or energy to be on camera. You're building a machine that works for you. Now let's break down how this translates into actual numbers. People often think that being the face of a brand is the only way to make serious money online. But that's a huge misconception. The ghost creator model opens up multiple diversified income streams. You're not just relying on brand deals that depend on your personal image. Instead, you're tapping into ad revenue, affiliate marketing, digital products, and more across your entire network of channels. When one channel has a slow month, another can pick up the slack. This diversification creates a much more stable and predictable financial foundation. It's about building long-term wealth, not just chasing short-term viral fame. This is strategic business building for the digital age. If you're intrigued by the idea of building a media business on your own terms, with privacy, freedom, and massive scaling potential, then the ghost creator model might be your answer. It's time to shift your mindset from being a personality to being a producer. Thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but the thought of being on camera gives you the chills. You've probably heard the myth. YouTube hates faceless channels and buries them in the algorithm. Well, let me tell you, that's completely wrong. The YouTube algorithm doesn't care about your face. It cares about one thing above all else: watch time. If people are clicking on your videos and staying to watch them, YouTube will push your content, face or no face. It's that simple. So, how do these faceless channels actually make money? Sometimes even more than the big shot vloggers with fancy cameras. It all comes down to a little thing called CPM, or cost per mille. That's how much advertisers pay for every 1,000 views. A faceless channel in the finance or tech niche, for example, can have a ridiculously high CPM because the audience is valuable to advertisers. A high-production lifestyle vlog might get millions of views, but if their CPM is low, the faceless finance channel could still be earning more money with fewer views. It's not about the quantity of views, it's about the quality of the audience. But here's the real secret. The smartest creators don't just rely on ad revenue. That's just one piece of the puzzle. The real money is in diversified income streams. Think about it. You can promote products you genuinely use and earn a commission through affiliate marketing. You can create and sell your own digital products, like ebooks, templates, or online courses, directly to your dedicated audience. And here's a big one a lot of people overlook. Once your channel is established and making consistent income, it becomes a valuable digital asset. You can actually sell the entire channel for a massive payout. This isn't just a hobby. It's a business you're building from the ground up, all without ever showing your face. Now, if you're worried about losing that human touch, that personal connection with your audience, you have a big decision to make. To avatar or not to avatar? All right, let's talk about the big question for faceless creators. How do you show up on screen without actually showing your face? This is all about finding your on-screen identity. You've got two main paths, and they both have their perks. First up, option A, the avatar. Think VTubers or having a channel mascot. The pros here are huge. You get a consistent, recognizable character that your audience can connect with. It's like having a brand ambassador that's uniquely you. People can form a real bond with an avatar, just like they would with a person. The downside, it can be a bit of a technical hurdle. Creating a high-quality avatar and setting up the tracking software takes time and sometimes money. Plus, you're tied to that one look, so rebranding can be tricky. Now, option B, the pure cinematic approach. This is where you use beautiful B-roll, stock footage, or even AI-generated visuals to tell your story. The major pro is the high production value you can achieve right off the bat. Your videos can look incredibly polished and professional, which builds trust and authority. You can find footage to match literally any topic. The con? It can feel a bit impersonal. Without a central character, it's harder for viewers to feel a direct connection to you. The creator, your voice and your editing style have to work extra hard to build that personality. So you have the personal connection of an avatar versus the sleek, professional look of cinematic footage. What if I told you there's a way to get the best of both worlds, or at least make the cinematic route a lot easier? This is where the magic of AI tools comes into play. They are completely changing the game for creating stunning visuals without needing a film crew or a degree in animation. We're going to dive into how these tools can help you create breathtaking B-roll and visuals that will elevate your content, whether you have an avatar or not. All right, let's talk about the fun part, the tools. This is your new AI staff, working for you 24/7. First up, your writers, ChatGPT and Claude. Think of them as your brilliant brainstorming partners and tireless copywriters. You give them a prompt, an idea, a rough draft, and they will refine it into compelling scripts, emails, or social media posts. Need to write a video script like this one? They can do it in minutes, not hours. Next, let's give your brand a voice. For that, we use ElevenLabs. This isn't some robotic text-to-speech from 5 years ago. ElevenLabs can create incredibly realistic, emotive voices. You can clone your own voice or design a unique brand voice that perfectly captures the feeling you want to convey. It's like having a professional voice actor on call, ready to bring your words to life. Now for the visuals. This is where it gets really exciting. For creating your digital human, your AI avatar, we use a tool like HeyGen. This allows you to generate a realistic presenter without ever stepping in front of a camera. And for stunning visuals, background images, and creative assets, we turn to Midjourney. You can describe any scene or concept imaginable, and Midjourney will generate a beautiful, high-quality image for you. Your marketing materials will never look boring again. So you have your writers, your voice actor, and your visual artists. You have your entire creative team. Now what? This brings me to the most critical rule of all, the 90-day rule. You have to commit to consistency for the first 90 days. That's it. Don't get obsessed with follower counts. Don't worry about going viral. Just focus on one thing, creating and posting content consistently for 90 days straight. Why 90 days? Because that's the time frame it takes to build a habit, to gather real data, to see what's working, and to let the platform algorithms start to notice you. Most people give up after a week or two. If you can push through for 90 days, you are already ahead of 99% of people. This is how you build momentum. This is how you lay the foundation for your invisible empire. The tools are here. The strategy is simple. The only thing missing is you. It's time to stop just consuming content and start creating your legacy. Start building your invisible empire today. The world is waiting to hear what you have to say. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you build. Don't forget to follow for more.